Welcome to NFT and Cash platform. This is my second part video on NFT and Cash. NFT and Cash, one of the best project at this moment time. I show their platform, so everything is fine on this project. It is a website on NFT and Cash, a collection of 3,333 unique Doge tankers and new play to earn P2E NFT game where gamer can earn cryptocurrency and NFT token though their gaming activities. Mint and token sale will be open on November. Stay tuned. You have many details here. Please stay with me. About this project, roadmap, NFT, tokenomics. So their social media link, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit. Please click this right button. You can visit their Telegram, Twitter. So okay. About their project, see their video. Maybe you can understand about this project. Okay guys, several games modes will be available to you. PBE, PBD, team, battle. So PBE mode for your training, PBP mode with the reward for winning in battle in NFTs token. Each player can block a certain number of NFTs token to receive a prize for winning. The loser is left with nothing. Each player must look fixed determine amount of NFT token to receive. So NFT 3,333 unique NFTs generate from 230 hand raised feature. 5% of the token will be distribution free of charge among all holder of the unique NFT collection. Owner will have to access to all the benefit of the game, bonus and gifts. Mint will be open on November. Follow our Discord and social media so as not to miss this opening date of whitelist. So Mint tokenomics on this project. So all token distribution is fine on this. Total supply. So token supply farming 20%, team 12%, vesting 1.5 years, marketing and ecosystem 16%, liquidity 20%, airdrop 3%, MT owner 5%, private sale and IDO 24%. Their roadmap, it is a clear roadmap with experienced team. Don't worry, very smoothly launch their project. So question on September 2021, website launching, social launching, game development. So it is past. Question 2 October 2021, NFT collection, influencer camping, marketing start, whitelist starts. Question 3 November 2021, NFT mint will be open, private sale, press sale and IDO NFT markets. December 2021, game launch, NFT avatar marketplace, Christmas event. Wait for Christmas event. It is a very enjoyable day. December 2021, so game launching, NFT avatar marketplace, Christmas event. Question 1 2022 from question 2 2022. God edit system, join the college battle ranking tournament, made the game item store campaign, middle scale books, the game item, the marketplace, finally in the gaming chat with the support of the becoming the Pele to Depredator, Peloton to Game Zero LTC. So everything is fine on this project. So I hope this project has a bright future, one of the best project at this moment time. So everything is fine on this project. So see their video. Play to Yarn, very interesting gaming site. So do not miss this, enjoy it. So all log is fine on this project. So several game mode will be available to you. So okay, so NFT Encase one of the best site in this sort. So all team members honestly on this project, and they launch honestly project. Don't worry. So please invest their platform. Maybe you can. Maybe you will get a very big profit from this NFT Cans project. So okay guys, maybe you can earn their free profit. So they launch bounty, so you can join their bounty. Maybe you can free token. So okay guys, everything is fine on this project. Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for next video.